Well, I'm back. I'm gonna try to do this stuff again. I really wish I got Monday, because we hit chest on Monday. That doesn't matter. Hope you guys enjoy. Look what came in the mail today. Massage gun from Fit For You. Ooh, baby. Let's give this thing a whirl. Ooh, this thing is clean. Alright, so I think I figured this thing out. You have to okay, so you hold down the power to turn it on. Automatically goes to 1. That's backwards because of the camera. But automatically goes to 1. You just tap it. It goes up in power. It goes all the way up to 30. This thing's actually really powerful. I did not think it'd be this powerful. It's super nice actually. Ooh. Feels good. Get it at fitforyou.net. I'm actually really impressed with this though. It comes with 4 different attachments, comes with the charger. It's actually really good because I've needed a massage gun, but they've always been super expensive. So this is definitely a really good cheap option. Get some Panda. We're gonna fill up on gas, get some Panda. I woke up late, so I couldn't really do my old breakfast routine thing. I really miss recording and editing and stuff like that. I'll tell you the main reason I stopped recording videos and posting them is because the content I was making, working out and stuff, I felt like it was almost showing off. I really didn't like that. It's not really what I'm trying to make this. I'm trying to just spread positivity, just good vibes, good vibes. Fork. Food. Fortune cookies. It's all gains right there. That's all gains. Mini mukbang with GP. Let's do it. Questions for the day. The hell am I gonna do today? I'm gonna go lift weights. I did a lot this morning, so I'm eating it. It's 1:30 right now. Eating schedule's off, sleep schedule's all over the place. We're trying to fix it. We're gonna get those sales up. Come on, BT. Come on. Bro, get her out there. Oh, I get him fucking.
Spider back. I'm a big dog. You a cat. How was that? You was ever in the format. 100 bun on the bed. Yeah, 100 racks. Sun's up. I ain't sleep. I've been counting stacks. Hands down. You're the big dog coming back.
I just busted my ankle down there. Now I'm gonna make an ad with the dumbbell. Get that out there. Hopefully I'll generate some more sales. Dumbbells sell for a lot. They're cheaper than most though, I'm telling you. I look up all the prices and they're all below market price. I'm gonna try to record that. I'm recording the ad on my new phone because it's better for TikTok and gets the angles. It's just a lot easier. It's a crazy good setup. Boom, boom. Sponsored by Windex. Alright. Let's see how this bad boy looks. Cool. Doesn't look too bad. Lighting's a little weird right here, but that's okay. So I'm thinking this is gonna be the setup. I'm gonna be sitting right here using the nice massage gun. Kind of forgot to record us going into Vitamin Shop and getting these and stuff. Now we're gonna go hit some back.
Hey, but we went into Vitamin Shop and got these.
I hate Tom.
Business is business. 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 Yeah. Business is business. 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 Yeah. Business is business. Business is business. Business is business. Business is business. Business is business.
Breakfast, breakfast, breakfast. Got some oatmeal, a little bit of honey. I got this protein cereal. Yeah, with a little bit of blueberries. So I'm kind of playing a game of 2K with Micah Parsons. He can time. Oh my god, that's terrible.
These are playing bums.
Micah Parsons. I got you, Micah. See, look at the IQ. God bless. Oh.
Here, pause it.
Tough. He's got
Pause it so you see that's him.
Yeah, he's got the football logo, dude. Oh! swallowing a football player. What is it? That was crazy. Okay, it's so windy, so I'm sorry if you can't hear me very well, but I should have gotten on the mic and talked to him, but I was like kind of hesitant because I didn't know what I would have said. And he was talking. I couldn't really understand what he's saying. I definitely should have gotten on the mic though. That was actually really cool. All right, we're at my old high school. I'm gonna go try to get some jumps in before we go hoop. We're supposed to hoop at like 6. It's a little after 5 right now. So yeah, we're gonna go get some high jumps in, see how I feel, and then we're gonna go hoop. High jump mats weren't out, so we're gonna actually end up just doing some sprint work. I already did my stretches.
No balance. I don't care about this superstar shit. So I'm glad. Maserati, mad shot. Throw some 10 on, get some real, drink some mad dog. Richer than I ever been, I don't want no cost. I told my bitch if she don't win, then I'ma drop off. I knock her friend at the pub, but they top golf. I'm loving the pop off. I put this weight on the head.
Just got done doing some sprints. They didn't have the high jump mats up, so I couldn't jump. That kind of sucked, but we got some good work in. Now we're about to hoop. We just got done hooping. About to go eat some food. Maybe hit some arms. She won't bring me the ball. So apparently today the air quality is supposed to be bad. Feels fine. Apparently it says it's 101 degrees and it feels like 65. Oh, what an adventure we have. See that sucker? We gotta get this upstairs and in the truck. It's probably a 200-300 pound treadmill, so I'm really not excited to do this. Get an energy drink before the pump. Hit some legs. We gotta get something crazy.
At like 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's like 10 o'clock right now. But that's the best time to work out, honestly. I forgot to record us like actually lifting the treadmill and everything. Oh, should we get a Ghost? Ghosts are good. I don't think they have C4. Rise is good.
I don't need
C4. C4.
Oh, perfect.
That's what we're going with.
For us, I'm getting skills.
All right, boys. C4 for the leg day. You got Skittles. I got Blue Raz.
That's pretty good. This is bad.
Rate it 1 through 10.
Like a 6.
This is like a 8. So good. You got to try it, man. Donut!
That's better.
Isn't that good?
Sweet.
7.5.
Good.
Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun, my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. I just wanna feel liberated, I just wanna feel liberated, if I ever instigated, I'm sorry.
Today is actually my birthday. Just turned 20. I think for what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do something with my family. We're gonna do like these games. Oh, I got a card. We're gonna do these games, like competition. We're such a competitive family, so see who wins those. I'll try to record those. It'll be fun. Birthday Popeyes, of course. Got the biscuits. Already ate the chicken. Now we're about to go pump. B-Day pump! Trap T.
Others were hit hard tonight with high winds, heavy rain, and hail. In Columbia, Illinois, numerous reports of trees and power lines down.
got hit with a huge storm, super close to hitting the house. That tree was the tallest tree we have right next. That's crazy. Dude, the root is huge. I mean, look at this thing. So basically, we had this really bad storm, and all the power in our town got shut off. So we were stuck with no power for the night. So no hot water, nothing like that. That kind of sucks, but it was a pretty good birthday overall. Good workout. We were there longer than we thought we would be, so that was cool. Just kind of sucks that we don't have power right now. Well,